Hey gamers, in this video I'll explain how to unlock the mystery characters in Crossy Road, the ones that don't show up in the prize machine and need a special trick to get. First of all, unlike normal characters, mystery characters are hidden unlocks that you earn by completing secret action in the game. For example, to get the crab, you need to play in the another region. First of all, to get the crab, you need to move like a side to side like a crab during a run. While running, you need to run like a side to side run like this. After you have done side to side run, your character will automatically unlock the crab character during your run. To unlock the hipster whale, jump onto the whale when it swims past in the water. While in the water, you will see the whale passing by. Then after you jump over the whale, you will unlock the hipster whale. Now, some mystery characters are tied to the event or holiday like Gifty, who shows up when you play during the Christmas, or Nessie, who can be spotted in the river while playing in the UK update. And then there's the Pac-Man set. When you go to the Pac-Man set, Pac-Man and the ghost like Inky, Pinky, Blinky and Clyde are all unlocked by playing the Pac-Man maze mode and completing the little challenges. Here you need to basically run and collect these dots, coins, which are coins. You need to collect 50 in one game, then you will unlock the ghost character Inky. Basically, every mystery character has its own unique requirement. You won't find them in the normal prize machine. So, mystery characters in Crossy Road are all about completing fun games, challenges, spotted, hidden events, or playing during the special time. If you like me to make a full video guide for each mystery character unlock method, drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crossy Road secrets, and I'll see you in the next one.